Hi guys, welcome to another video by Lightning Stick. Today I'm going to show you the dual saber. There's two of them, and yes, you already know what it is. It's the Ahsoka Tano. Looks exactly like the wheel thing. It's made of metal. This one's base lit, and I'm not going to open it up because it's been nicely wrapped, and the power button has been protected by this, so I won't open that up, but I'll just show you what it looks like. And I got the actual sand car here, as you can see. As you can see, it's very loud.
Crash off. Steady.
So it's motion activated or gesture control. So
Color change. Color selected.
okay, that was really loud. Anyway, so my point is, I just want to show you this because that's the electronic that's inside here. It's got a also has an SD card for you to add sand fonts, add your own sand fonts. So that's awesome. Even if it comes with no SD card, you can go and buy yourself a a $8, $4 SD card and put it in here, and you can change your sand fonts. So basically, this lamp lights up this blade here, which this blade is a durable combat grade blade, and it's lit up like by the lamp here. So all you got to do is just put the blade in, and then use the Allen key supplied and the spare screws, and just tighten it onto the handle, and you got yourself a lightsaber. So that's how it works. This particular model, because it's a really nice model, you will also get the acrylic stand too. You get the blade plug as well. Also, you have manual and charging cables. So that's it. If you're interested in this lightsaber, you can go to www.lightningstick without c stick.com.au, and we ship worldwide. Thank you.